सुप्रभात बच्चों, नमस्कार। गुड मॉर्निंग चिल्ड्रन, कैसे हो आप लोग? ठीक। तो हम लोग ये जो पाठ 10 है झांसी की रानी का पाठ हम लोग पढ़ रहे हैं, है ना बच्चों? तो ये जो झांसी की रानी है, इनके जो लेखक कौन है? इनका नाम है सुभद्रा कुमारी चौहान। She is the writer of this lesson, Jhansi Ki Rani. So she was born in the year 1904 and she was died in the year 1948. Okay. तो बच्चों आप भी मुझे बताओ, ये जो सुभद्रा कुमारी चौहान है, किनके द्वारा ये सुनकर, ये जो झांसी की रानी की जो कहानी है, किनके द्वारा सुनकर उसने ये जो पाठ को लिखा है? With whom the story of Jhansi's Rani. Okay, she heard the story and she started writing. How she knows this story? Can anyone? Yes. So in Bundelkhand, one place it is there. So now it is that one is the hill region. Now it is there in the Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh hill region. That there one place is there, Bundelkhand. There one group of people, Bundele har bolo, their name. So what they used to do now, so in the olden days, at the times we are not having any TV. So what is happening in this country, like that informations we don't know. Okay, so at that time this Bundel har bolo, this group people, what they has to do now. So in the olden days, what are the when the rajas and maharajas are there, so how their kingdom and how they are ruled their kingdoms. So everything they used to go for each place, and they used to tell the stories of rajas, maharajas, and the next before freedom, before we didn't get the freedom, no. So when the Britishers were there at the time, how much people are struggled. So all these things they used to tell like as a stories. So from them only she heard the story and she wrote this lesson, Jhansi Ki Rani. Okay children, so come we'll continue the lesson of this Jhansi Ki Rani. So before that we'll do one quick recap of this lesson, how much we had seen. After that I'll continue the lesson. Everyone listen carefully. Okay. सो ये जो चित्र दिख रहा है, ये है झांसी की रानी. ओके, तो झांसी की रानी, जब हमारे जो देश में, भारत देश में जो थान है, तो सिंहासन है, वो सब हिल उठ गए. तो डायनेस्टीज आर डिसाइडेड. ये सब लोग जो भी भारत में जो पुराना जो बूढ़ा खून जो दौड़ता है, अभी वो जाके नया जो नौजवानों का खून दौड़ने का समय आ गया है. तो जो भी आज़ादी के लिए जितने भी राजा और महाराजा लोगों ने जितना चुपचाप ही थे, अब वो चुपचाप से हट गए. और उनका जो अभी जो लड़ाई का जो है फ्रीडम के लिए, वो शुरू हो गया है. तो ये जो है कहाँ से शुरू हो गया? पहले जो स्टार्ट हुआ था तो झांसी की रानी से. सो हुई इज द झांसी प्लेस क्वीन, नथिंग बट शी इज द none other than she is the लक्ष्मीबाई. ओके, लक्ष्मीबाई इज द क्वीन ऑफ द झांसी. तो उन्होंने वहां से शुरू हुई उनकी ये जो ब्रिटिशर्स के और हमारे भारत के ब्रिटिशर्स के अगेंस्ट भारत के जो जितने भी वासी है, सब लोग लड़ाई शुरू कर दिया. तो चलिए बच्चों, हम लोग देखते हैं फिर ये झांसी की रानी कहाँ बॉर्न हुई, वो पैदा कहाँ पर हुई. कानपुर के जो नाना है ना, उनके मुबल्ली बहन छबीली थी, तो उनकी बेटी ही है लक्ष्मी बाई, और वो अकेली बेटी थी. शी इज द ओनली वन डॉटर ऑफ द छबीली. ओके, सो ये नाना के संग ही खेलती थी, गाती थी. कैसे खेल खेलती थी वो? कृपाण चलाना, कटार चलाना, ढाल बनाना, बर्छी करना, ये सब उसकी सहेलियां. दीज आर द फेवरेट गेम्स. Okay, so with the sword, with the sword, sword, sorry, with the sword she started doing the attacking, and the next katari means with the knives she learned the attacking, and the next dhal how to escape, okay, and the next how to make like as a fake war, everything she had learned, and these are the favorite games. वीर शिवाजी की गाथाएं उसके उसको याद जबानी थी. So Shivaji Maharaj, we know, no. So Maharashtra king is the Shivaji Maharaj. There's stories only. She learned when she was in childhood. So that stories, everything she was remembered. So these are all the things. This writer she was here from the Bundele Harbolo. Okay. लक्ष्मी थी या दुर्गा थी, वे स्वयं वीरता की अवतार. शी इज लाइक एज अ गॉडेस लक्ष्मी और अदरवाइज दुर्गा. ओके, लाइक दैट व्हेन वी आर सीइंग दैट लुक, इट इज लाइक दैट. देख मराठे पुलकित होते उसकी तलवारों के वार. सो व्हेन शी इज अटैकिंग विद द स्वॉर्ड एट द टाइम, एवरी मराठा पीपल फेल्ट वेरी हैप्पी एट दैट टाइम. नकली युद्ध, व्यूह की रचना और खेलना खूब शिकार. सो सैनिक घेरना, दुर्ग तोड़ना, ये थे उसके प्रिय खिलवाड़. सो दिस फेवरेट गेम्स आर लाइक एज ए नकली युद्ध की रचना, व्यूह की रचना, विच मीन्स अ फेक व्यूह मीन्स आइडिया, एंड द नेक्स्ट नकली युद्ध फेक वार. ऑल्सो खेलना खूब शिकार, so doing the hunting, and the next सैन्य घेरना, which means surrounding the military or otherwise army, and the next durg torna, which means the forts are breaking. All these are all favorite games of this Rani Lakshmi Bai. Maharashtra Kul Devi उसकी भी आराध्य भवानी थी. So she is doing puja, she is devoting the Maharashtra goddess Bhavani. Okay. Bundele har bolonke. So from these all these things, this writer she was knows how she can knows means this Bundele har bolo, they are going for each place, they are telling, no, from that only she also heard this story. हुई वीरता की वैभव के साथ सगाई झांसी में. सो शी डिड द एंगेजमेंट टू द झांसी किंग. ब्याह हुआ, रानी बन आई लक्ष्मीबाई झांसी में. आफ्टर दैट शी डिड द मैरिज एंड शी केम टू द झांसी प्लेस. राजमहल में बजी बधाई, खुशियों छाई झांसी में. सो व्हेन शी केम एट द टाइम, एवरीवन फेल्ट वेरी हैप्पी एंड दे डिड द ग्रैंड वेलकम टू हर. Okay, children, up to this much we had learned. Today we are going to continue the lesson. चित्रा ने अर्जुन को पाया. सो चित्रा ने अर्जुन को पाया. शिव से मिली भवानी थी. चित्रा ने अर्जुन को पाया. सो इन महाभारत, if you are seeing the Mahabharat, means in Mahabharat who is Arjun is there, no? So everyone knows Arjun. So Arjun's wife, who is Arjun's wife? Subhadra. Subhadra only another name Chitra. So Chitra ने अर्जुन को पाया. How this Subhadra was won Arjun, like that only शिव से मिली भवानी थी. Lord Shiva was met with the Bhavani, like that only. बुंदेले हर बोलों के मुंह. So like that the pair was there, like the Rani Lakshmi Bai and Lakshmi Bai's husband, that king, both are looking same, like that they were compared. खूब लड़ी मर्दानी, वे तो झांसी वाली रानी थी. So she was fought, she fought like as a man, nothing but who is that झांसी वाली रानी. उदित हुआ सौभाग्य. So उदित हुआ सौभाग्य यानी खिल गया उनका जो सौभाग्य, जो राइजेस ऑफ द गुड लक. एंड द नेक्स्ट, मुदित महलों में उजियाली छाई. सो एवरीवेयर द लाइट्स ऑफ हैप्पीनेस वाज शेडेड. ओके. किंतु कालगति चुपके चुपके काली घटा घेर लाई. सो किंतु कालगति मीन्स the death, it came very quietly. Kali ghata gher lai. So the darkness, it was came with the death. So तीर चलाने वाले कर में उसे चूड़ियां कब भाई. So she started, actually she's doing the practice of this sword, and the next she practiced with the chalk, knife attacking, and the next with the arrows. So all these things, when she did the practice, suddenly she wore the bangles, everything. So she started liking the wore that bangles, everything. But in meanwhile, Rani Vidhva hui hai. So in between the Rani, she became widow, which means the king was died. So Rani Lakshmibai's husband was died. विधि को भी नहीं दया आई. At the time, the fate was also not got the kindness on her. Okay, विधि को भी दया नहीं आई. The fate also not got the kindness. Next, Nisantan Mare Rajaji. So at the time that this Raja, he is not having, which means childless, he died. Rani Shok Samani thi. So at the time Rani was very sad. बुंदेले हर बोलों के मुंह हमने सुनी कहानी थी. So बुंदेले हर बोलो, they was said this story at the time. We heard, हमने सुनी कहानी थी. We heard. खूब लड़ी मर्दानी, वह तो झांसी वाली रानी थी. She fought like a man. Who is that? Nothing but झांसी रानी. बुझा दीप झांसी का तब डलहौजी मन में हर्ष आया. So when the lighting of that Jhansi's place, that when the king was there at the time, how that kingdom, everything, without king na, so nobody are there to take care of that people of that kingdom. Okay, so like that it became very sadness at that time. Only Dalhousie means the Britisher. Okay, he felt very happy in his हार्ट. राज्य हड़प करने का उसने यह अच्छा अवसर पाया. सो टेकिंग केयर ऑफ दिस किंगडम, दिस इज ओनली द वन avasar, which means that situation it is this, she can take that. So at that time nobody are there, no king is there, so she can attack on that kingdom, and she can take that kingdom. So like that this Dalhousie taught. Foreign फौजे भेजे दुर्ग पर. So immediately he sent the army on that fort. अपना झंडा फहराया. His flag he started waving. लावारिस का वारिस बनकर ब्रिटिश राज्य झांसी आया. So it is not having the, he is a lavaris. Okay, which means varis banka, which means that forefathers, vamsh, like that we are saying. No, so without vamsh he came like as a, he is having vamsh in the Jhansi, like that he thought, and he came to the Jhansi. Who? These Britishers, they came. Okay children, have you all understanding? No? Yes. Next, आश्रपूर्ण रानी ने देखा झांसी हुई भी रानी थी. So she is crying in her eyes, it is having tears, but like that she saw that झांसी हुई भी रानी थी. So झांसी it became very alone it became. बुंदेले हर बोलों के मुंह हमने सुनी कहानी थी. So this story was said by the बुंदेले हर बोलो. खूब लड़ी मर्दानी, वह तो झांसी वाली रानी थी. She fought like as a man. Who is that? None other than Jhansi की रानी. Next, अनुनय विनय नहीं सुनता है. So requesting, respecting, giving, requesting also, they are not at all listening on them. विकट फिरंगी की माया है. So this one is Britishers only, they all did all these things. व्यापारी बन दया चाहता था. At first when they came at the time, they came like as a business, for doing the purpose, for doing the business purpose only they came here. Okay, even though they are not having any daya, they are not having any kindness. जब ये भारत आया, so when they came to the Bharat at the time, our people, our kings, everyone had shown the kindness. Okay, let them to do the business, they will also get the profit, like that they thought. But immediately they started attacking on us. डलहौजी ने पैर पसारे अब तो पलट गई काया. So Dalhousie fully it was scattered. How much big legs are there? That much is scattered, and everywhere he is taking. He is attacking on all the states, and he is taking the kingdoms from the kings. राजाओं नवाबों को भी उसने पैरों ठुकराया. So not only the Jhansi, in the India, whole India, this country, how many kings are there, how many Nawabs are there. So at the time, Nawabs also rule no Mughals. So they at the time they are not at all listening. Just they are doing the attack and they are taking the kingdoms and they are started ruling on them. Okay. रानी दासी बनी बनी यह दासी अब महारानी थी. So Rani at first she became dasi, maid she became, and the next after that, at the time in the olden days, this they are not giving the chance to queen. Okay, so when the kings are there, they are only, so after that after the king is not there, na, their child are going to become king, but very less. But they are not giving the chance to ladies. But this Rani Lakshmi Bai, she learned all these things like as a king only. She's doing all her activities, everything. So that's why at last she became the queen of the Jhansi. बुंदेले हर बोलों के मुंह हमने सुनी कहानी थी. सो दिस स्टोरी वाज हियर फ्रॉम द बुंदेले हर बोलो. खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वह तो झांसी वाली रानी थी. शी फॉट लाइक एज अ मैन, none other than she is the Jhansi wali Rani. Okay, have you all understanding, children? So we are having the movie also, no, Jhansi Lakshmi Bai, and we are having the this one is also Nataks also. So if you want to see now, you can see in that olden days Britishers, how much they what we are saying, how much they did all that things on the even though they did for small children also, for ladies also, for men also, very cruelly they behaved on us. Okay, so at the time it is very difficult, even though at the time in India it is having so many restrictions to women. In that also, this Jhansi Rani, she came out, she fought, okay, she fought like anything. Next. छीनी राजधानी दिल्ली की, लिया लखनऊ बातों बात, कैद पेशवा या भीटूर में, हुआ नागपुर का भी घात. सो नॉट ओनली झांसी, छीनी राजधानी दिल्ली की, दिल्ली राजधानी also they took, okay, the capital, and the next लिया लखनऊ बातों बात, they took the Lucknow place also, they attacked and they took. कैद पेशवा था बिठूर, so बिठूर place also they had attacked, and the next नागपुर का भी घात, नागपुर also they did the fraud and they took that place. उदयपुर, तांजूर, सातारा, कर्नाटक की कौन बिसात, जबकि सिंध, पंजाब, ब्रह्म पर अभी हुआ था वज्रनिपात. So all the places they started attacking, like as Udaipur, Tanjore, and the next Satara, Karnataka, all these places they started attacking, and they are taking and they are started ruling on the स्टेट्स. बंगाले, मद्रासी आदि की भी तो यही कहानी थी. नॉट ओनली द नॉर्थ साइड, हियर आल्सो द साउथ साइड एंड वेस्ट साइड, वेस्ट बंगाल, दिस मद्रास, दिस चेन्नई. सो everywhere like these stories only are there. बुंदेले हर बोलों के मुंह हमने सुनी कहानी थी. So बुंदेले हर बोलो, from there only we had hear the story. खूब लड़ाई मर्दानी वह तो झांसी वाली रानी थी. खूब लड़ी, she fought like a man, who is the none other than झांसी वाली रानी. रानी रोई रानी वासों में, so Rani she cried in her palace. बेगम गम से थी बेजार, but begums, which means queens, in Hindi we are calling, no, that queen in Hindi we are calling, in Urdu begum we are calling. So they are also got irritated. उनके गहने कपड़े बिकते थे कलकत्ता के बाजार. So this queens dresses and the next jewelry, everything they are selling in the Kolkata bazaar. सरे आम नीलाम छापाते थे. So in the whole in front of the other they did the neelam, which means velam, like that we are telling, no. So that one they did. अंग्रेजों के अखबार. So these Britishers in the newspaper, they started selling. सो नागपुर के जेवर ले लो, लखनऊ के लो नौ लखा हार, लाइक दैट दे आर पुटिंग द एड्स. नागपुर के जेवर, सो नागपुर ज्वेलरी, ज्वेलरी you can purchase, like that they are giving the news on the newspapers. And then Lucknow ke now lakha har, so Lucknow's place, that now lakha har, that haram is very famous in that Lucknow place. That one also you can take, like that they put the news in the newspaper. यो पर्दे की इज्जत पार. So the women, they are not coming in front of the peoples, but they are taking their इज्जत, which means they are taking the respect of that woman. देशी के हाथ बिकानी थी. So they are selling the deshis, those who are there, no, in this country only some business people they are doing, no. So for them only they are giving these drawers and they are making them to sell in other places. बुंदेले हर बोलों के मुंह हमने सुनी कहानी थी. So this story was said by the बुंदेले हर बोलो. So at the time the writer was here this story. खूब लड़ी मर्दानी, वह तो झांसी वाली रानी थी. She fought like as a man, who is that none other than झांसी वाली रानी. कुटियों में थी विषम वेदना. So in small huts it is having so much विषम वेदना will be there. महलों में आहत अपमान. In the palaces it is not having any respect. वीर सैनिकों के मन में था अपने पुरखों का अभिमान. So that Sainiks, the soldiers, they are having in their hearts that how that in the olden days how much respect they are having. So that one, नाना धूंधू पंत पेशवा जुटा रहा था सब सामान. So Nana, grandfather is there, no, this Lakshmibai's grandfather. So he is only everything he is gathering and he is putting the things, he is gathering everything, which means other states support he is asking. He started gathering that thing. बहीन छबीली ने रणचंडी का कर दिया प्रकट आह्वान. So at the time the Bahan, that Nana's grandfather's sister is there, no, Chabili. So she did the announcement, yes, come and do the war on us, like that she gave the invitation to the Britishers. हुआ यज्ञ प्रारंभ उन्हें तो. So at last they started the यज्ञ. सोई ज्योति जगानी थी. So that they want to lightning the lamp, that दिया. बुंदेले हर बोलों के मुंह हमने सुनी कहानी थी. So this story was said by the बुंदेले हर बोलो, and they are the this writer, she was here the story and she wrote this lesson. So खूब लड़ी मर्दानी, वह तो झांसी वाली रानी थी. So she fought like as a man, none other than झांसी वाली रानी. महलों ने दी आग, झोपड़ी ने ज्वाला सुलगाई थी. So these palaces they gave the fire, and the next झोपड़ी, these huts, they started doing the lightning to the fire. ये स्वतंत्रता की चिंगारी अंतरतम से आई थी. So this fighting for freedom, so this one it came from everyone's whole heart. झांसी छेती, दिल्ली छेती, लखनऊ लपटे छाई थी. मेरठ कानपुर पाटना ने भारी धूम मचाई थी. So झांसी, दिल्ली, लखनऊ, so all are joined, and Meerut is also one place, Kanpur, Patna, so all are started attacking on them, like that they did. जबलपुर कोल्हापुर में भी कुछ हलचल उकसानी थी. So in the places like Jabalpur and Kolhapur, there also they have to give some support to them. Okay. So बुंदेले हर बोलों के मुंह हमने सुनी कहानी थी. This story was हियर फ्रॉम द बुंदेलहर बोलो. सो खूब लड़ी मर्दानी, वह तो झांसी वाली रानी थी. So she fought like as a man. She is the queen of Jhansi. Okay, children. So up to this much today we had learned, children. In the next session we'll continue the story of this Jhansi ki Rani. Okay. Just you go through this and read and understand. If you are feeling anywhere any hard words are there, na, so definitely you can ask through comment box, or otherwise we are having the WhatsApp group now. In that also you can ask. Okay, do the reading practice. So this one is really it was happened. It is so when the how this Jhansi Rani she fought for freedom, that one we are learning. Okay children, thank you all of you. धन्यवाद बच्चों. हम लोग मिलते हैं अगले सेशन में, और अगले सेशन में बाकी का जो पार्ट है हम उसको देखते हैं. ठीक है, धन्यवाद.